LG Refrigerator Repair Service in Dallas and Fort Worth specializes in LG refrigerator repair that consists of LG refrigerator freezer repair, LG French door refrigerator repair, LG Trom refrigerator repair, along with all other LG models. Is your refrigerator not cold enough? Is your refrigerator water dispenser not working, or maybe the ice dispenser is not working? The refrigerator is not defrosting, or the refrigerator is noisy or loud. Maybe your refrigerator suffers defrost drain problems, or your refrigerator is leaking water. Whatever the problem, we can help. Call us today at 214-260-7732.